In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make Aweber landing pages. By the end, you will have a simple landing page built, customized, and published, ready to collect subscribers. Start by opening your Aweber account and going to the Pages and Forms area. From there, select Landing Pages. This section is where Aweber keeps all of your landing pages in one place, so you can create new ones and manage existing ones without digging through other menus. Next, click Create a Landing Page. Aweber will prompt you to choose a starting point. Select a template if you want a faster setup with a pre-built layout, or choose a blank layout if you prefer to design everything from scratch. Templates are helpful when you want a clean structure that you can adjust, especially if you are building your first page. Once the editor opens, use the drag and drop sidebar to add elements like text, images, or videos. Move sections around until the page flows in a clear order. Keep your main message easy to read and place the most important information near the top so visitors understand your offer right away. Now click the form block. This is an important step because it controls where your signups go. Set the destination list so new subscribers are added to the correct email list. Then apply tags if you want to organize subscribers based on the landing page they joined from. Tags are useful later for filtering and automation. After that, open Page Settings to edit the page path and URL. Choose something short and specific so it is easy to share and easy to recognize. Then go to Design to adjust the overall look. Here you can change colors, fonts, and background images to match your brand. Aim for strong contrast between your background and text so the page remains readable on any device. Before finishing, click Preview to check both the mobile and desktop versions. Make sure spacing, images, and text look clean in both views. When everything looks right, click Save and Exit. Finally, back on the dashboard, click Publish next to your landing page to make it live. That covers everything you need to know.